Now about curved segments, making curved lines, curved paths with the pen tool. So in order to make a curve, instead of just clicking, click, 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 to make like we do with straight lines, I'm going to click and drag and then release my mouse. Now as soon as I click and drag, you'll see the control handles pull out of that anchor point, and then the preview of the path that I'm starting to make curves, and it starts to curve up in the direction of whatever this control handle, like the direction it's pointing up, like an arrow. My curve will go in that direction, and then it will slope down to wherever I make my next point. So I'm going to click and drag, click and drag, click and drag, click and drag, and that will make curves. So in this case, I'm making a line that's 100% comprised of curves. Now I want to back away and not continue to draw here, so I'm going to press Escape. Then I'm going to press V on the keyboard so I get out of the pen tool, and then from there I'm good to move it around or do whatever manipulations I need to do to it at this point. So I might go to my direct selection tool now, and maybe I want to move certain things around, finesse, refine, change, add anchor points, delete anchor points, or whatever. So it remains fully editable. Now again, example here of if I draw something with my fill on, sometimes that's going to work great, and sometimes it's going to be really distracting. So just like we talked about with, straight segments, if I start to go in and say, I'm trying to trace this shape, for example, or draw something similar to it, if I have my fill on, you can see it starts to get kind of confusing pretty quickly, and I can't see what I'm looking at potentially underneath, what I'm trying to trace. Not that I'm tracing that closely, obviously, but you get the idea. So again, going over here, hovering over my fill, and then just clicking a little slash there so it's none. That will allow me to keep drawing and not have the interference of the fill until I want to add a fill color to it. Then I can do that.